Hello everyone. The CPC exam most confusing modifiers. First modifier 26. The 26 is the most confusing modifier when we need to take 26. The example, what is the modifier? Professional component. What is meant by professional component? See here, if we have X-ray of chest 71045, X-ray of chest one view, chest X-ray, radiological exam. X-ray is also called radiological examination. 71045, we have when we need to give the modifier 26. This X-ray was was performed by technician. There is a equipment called hospital equipment. With this hospital equipment, the technician performs the X-ray. Technician will perform the X-ray. This X-ray was interpretation and report. Interpretation and report was done by, okay, the X-ray was done by technician. The doctors watch that X-ray and he will interpret and he will give the report. Okay, that is that. Then when the interpretation and report only given by the doctor, only given by the doctor or physician, okay, or provider, the equipment owned by hospital, when the equipment owned by hospital, the doctor only perform interpretation and report only. We have to give modifier 26. Okay, when we should not give. Okay, if the equipment owned by the when we know when we should not give modifier 26. Equipment owned by doctor. If the doctor own equipment, we are not giving modifier 26. Don't give modifier 26. Doctor own equipment. Same likewise, if the in the code description, if you have interpretation and report, in the CPT code description, don't give modifier 26. When we have to give, we have to give when there is a equipment owned by hospital equipment, when the doctor perform interpretation and report only. Then in this case, we can give the modifier 26. Okay, next. Is it clear, right? Next, 24. What is the 24? Unrelated E&M service during the post-operative period. What is meant by unrelated E&M service by the same physician or other qualified healthcare professional during the post-op? We know that post-operative period. What is meant by post after the surgery? The time period after the surgery. For the minor surgeries, 0 to 10 days. Global period. For the major surgery, 0 to 90 days. In this entire 90 days, the patient is coming for the any related procedure related in the entire. If the patient has, suppose if the patient has appendectomy, until the 90 days, if he came any related service to the appendectomy, we are not charging. The doctor won't charge anything. The physician, the insurance company won't pay to the doctor anything. If the patient is coming, had an appendectomy, he's on post-operative period for the appendectomy, and now he's coming for the E&M service for the leg pain. Is there any related appendectomy related to the leg pain? No, right? The leg pain is different, appendectomy is different. That is called as when there is an unrelated, he's on post-operative period of appendectomy. He's coming for the unrelated E&M service with the appendectomy. We are coding, okay, with the E&M code, we are coding modifier 24. The E&M modifier 24, 25, 57. 25, minor surgery during, remember like this. It is a remember like minor surgery during the E&M. Okay, he's coming for the evaluation and management. Just he consultation. He want to evaluate himself, and doctor perform any minor surgeries in that E&M. We have to give along with the E&M code. You have to give modifier 25. Then 76 is also most confusing modifier. Unplanned return to the operating room during the post-operative period, which means unplanning return to the operating room. Remember this, operating room with the post-operative period. Related procedure, which means related. Suppose he had an appendectomy. I gave the code 44,950. He got the payment, appendectomy. Suppose after the appendectomy, suddenly the patient is coming with the from the appendectomy where the doctor made the incision, is coming with the bleeding, severe bleeding. The patient underwent to the operating room. Then in this case, appendectomy related with modifier 76 during the post-operative period. These are the most important and confusing modifiers. If you want any modifier, please comment what is the modifier you want to know. Okay, I will tell that modifier. Thank you everyone with example.